co-signing for a loan affect my credit when applying for a mortgage?
So that kind of depends on what loan you're co-signing for.
So let's say my son bought a home last year and I co-signed for him on that mortgage, and now I want to buy a house.
Okay, great. I'll use your example, and then I'll use a different example. So the example of if you co-sign for your son's mortgage, congratulations, you have a mortgage. So getting a second mortgage is going to be a challenge because you're equally responsible to your son on his mortgage. So that's going to create a problem. In my second example, I co-signed for my daughter's cars. So that does show up on my credit report as another debt. It's going to affect my debt to income ratio because if my daughters don't make that payment, I'm fully responsible to pay for their cars. But it will have less of an impact on my ability to get a mortgage because it's a car loan, not a second mortgage in essence.